Dear Mr. Brown, I have received your communication of the 12th instant, and I am very pleased indeed to inform you that you are almost certain to hear from me in the affirmative next week. Most probably, you will be asked to come here the last week in the last month of the year. But you must not be surprised if you are requested to give your lecture at an earlier date. Your lecture in the autumn of last year was a great success. In fact, unparalleled in the history of our literary organization. This month and next month, we are to have a series of lectures on the industrial life of our cities in the 19th century, and it is just possible that we may have a famous economist as chairman at the opening gathering. We have concluded that these problems ought to be considered without delay, especially as economic questions are very pressing just now. Yours very truly.